Hey to the whole world. Guys, now I'm about to jump on exercise number 1.2. Before I do though, there's something that I want you guys to know. You see, there is a saying that goes something along the lines of the grass looks cleaner on the other side of the fence. In simple terms, that simply says there are certain things that you might think that are easy from a distance, but once you do a closer look, once you get to feel how to one go about doing them, you get to realize how hard they are. Now, my point, you see, just by watching me solving these problems, it won't make you a great programmer, but what we'll do is it'll familiarize yourself with different Java concepts. What you wanna do is, Java programming is like programming is more or less like math in many ways. The only way, or perhaps the best way of learning math is by sitting down with a pen and a paper and try to tackle as many problems as you could. Again, the very same thing applies with programming. So, what I'm trying to say here, you guys, is watch a few videos, try to get yourself other problems to work on, okay? As opposed to watching my videos non-stop without actually giving yourself time so that you will see whether you were able to learn some of the stuff that I've applied on my solutions. Okay, enough words. Let's jump on to the next problem on hand. So I gotta display 5 messages. We gotta write a program that displays welcome to Java 5 times. Okay. That shouldn't be much of a problem from my point of view, but again, as an absolute beginner, you might probably find this challenging. And if you did check out my previous solutions, my previous 3 solutions on exercise 1.1, this should be trivial for you. Okay. Okay, let's start with a very straightforward way of doing this. Let me create a class. I'll name it exercise 2.1, exercise 1_2, and then go A. So the very first thing to do will be to go system.out.print. We want to use a print line if we want to display all these messages in different lines. So I'll go welcome to Java. So, again, the spaces, they don't matter, you guys. Let me run this so that you'll see what we get. Boom, we're getting precisely what we wanted. Okay, and we're getting precisely what we wanted. Okay, now we can of course play around with this and go 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. We are allowed to do that. There's a lot of stuff you can do with these, you guys. You see, with these tools I'll be teaching you, there's a lot you can do. I don't know if people can follow the parts in here. You see, now I'm no longer. Now I'm through. Oops. Now I'm through solving the problem, you guys. You know what? Let me wrap it for now. Let me get rid of those. It's just that I wanted you guys to see that there's a lot you can do with this. So now let's hit the run button. Boom, we've got what we wanted. So that's gonna be it for this tutorial, you guys. But I'm planning on giving you guys another one on this exercise so that you'll see how we can play around with our code. Cheers.